Hello, it's Sunday morning. I came in my garage to start the Honda Pilot 2016. I pressed the, like I usually do, I pressed the brake pedal and the engine started cracking and didn't want to turn on. Oh, I didn't know what to do, so I left my car here and I went to the church, and when I came back, I asked somebody and they said, you need to replace the battery. So I came home. I took out the battery. It's very easy to take out the air exhaust, which is on top of the battery. Loose the screws, which is number 10 millimeter. I went to the auto shop parts, buy a new battery. I came back, I installed the battery. I came inside of the car, press the brake pedal, press the button, and the engine starts in a second. The reason I'm putting this on YouTube because I searched so much this morning and I couldn't find anything related to this. So hopefully this will be helpful for you guys.